Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. This is Jason Wong. I would like to share about this Inari. This is the daily chart, right? From year 2013 due to date. Okay, we can see Inari is rising from 10 cent up to like $3.80. Okay, and the chart is keep building the higher high and higher low, and lately on early of 2018, right, is a collection down, and I would like to use Elevate analysis to share about Inari. First of all, we can see, right, we would like to look up that um, wave one, okay, and then from there we can start to do the counting. Okay, so first of all, right, you look at the retracement, right, and this is typically there's a wave one, right, which I define. Okay, this is a wave one, and this is a two. Okay, and again, this is form and a one, and this is two. Okay, up to here, right, this is a three. Okay, and we have a wave four here. Okay, now that wave four collection down to 38.2% retracement, which is about $2.80. And in fact, we can look at a smaller uh, wave category, right? You can see here is A and B and C, and in the internal structure we have another A, B, and C. Then move out. This is like X, right? And then another stroke down of A, B, and C. Typically, when we see this breakdown, right, and it's going to be from the impulse wave C down, and I do anticipating that target will hit on this 270, but somehow there is some sort like a support come in, right? That fall, right, is a hold at this about 270, about 274 region, right? And right after that is formed like kind of like a breaking along kind of a chart pattern. Okay, then it's like yesterday, right? It's close a gap up here, which is a good implication, right? And from here I can see that support around $2.80 is a support. Okay, let's back to the yellow wave, right? Which I'm saying here, right? This is like A and B and C, right? This is a C. Suppose ended at 38%, and also around that the C is ended on this 270, but it's not touched. But somehow the support is kicking in. Okay, and what is the next move? Which I anticipating, right? Likely that the move will be. Give me a minute, right? It's likely will come to it test this area, right? Which is $3, right? $3 is very critical here. It's a round number. We can see there's a lot of reaction of this area, right? 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. Right? Even is like this stroke down, right? Come down to here, then it come back to test, no? And then it come all the way go down to this area and forming this breaking island, right? So I anticipating likely going to test the $3 in the near future. Okay, if the thing wrong, right, I will cut loss if let's say break below this candle. This two candle is a key user to me. If let's say it fail, right, likely going to test on the 270. Okay, and we can pay attention over here. Those who are do day trade or whatever trade current trade, right, can taking opportunity on here. Okay, when come to test this area, right, I would say I would lock the hard profit. Okay, and it's let's say trade above $3, it come back to here. This is another critical area which is 320, right? I hope we can go above here this level, right? This is roadmap, right? and then come back, likely will come back here, right? Okay, and then once this area is hold $3, right, eventually you will come to test about 350. One is go above this, right? That I would say the collection is over, right? Look at this, collection is over, and the uptrend is reborn, right? The trend is reborn, right? You're going to very high chances you move beyond this 380. Okay, you got, I would say likely very high chances is going to test 380, whether remove or not. I still have a question on that. Okay, because of let me check this, right? Okay, yeah, I think likely it will have a tough fight over here 380. Um might form the double top, right? Where you fight double top, or let's say it's not, we have to look at the internal structure, how this guy is formed, those how the internal structure here, I mean the internal structure, how this will form here around this area. Then we determine whether the trend will break 380 or not. Thanks for listening to my sharing. Okay, thanks.